Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Dodge Challenger RT Shaker in Destroyer Gray on black interior. So we'll just start over at the back here. I'll let you have a look. The Challenger has a very nice sized trunk, as you can see. Lots of space for goodies. We've got carpeted floor mats here that are in great shape, and we also have WeatherTech mats that are in the vehicle as well right now. As you can see, it's a nice and clean car, so we'll just close this up. Have a look from the back. It's got the matte black spoiler on the back. We've got LED tail lights. We've got stripes that go up and over. We've got dual stainless steel finishers for the exhaust ports there. We've got the reverse parking sensors that are built into the bumper. And we'll just shift around this side. So here's your rear wheel. So it's in great shape, as you can see. We've got nice Goodyear Eagle RS A tires on there. So that's great. So we'll just move over to the passenger side here. We've got a nice leather insert on the door. We've got power windows, power locks, and a brushed aluminum finished door handle there. We've got the Harmon and Kardon stereo in here with the subwoofer in the trunk. And there's your WeatherTech floor mat on the floor. And we'll just show you on the back seat. As you can see, it's in great shape. It's got the nice Alcantara insert with the leather surround. Close this up. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We've got the Shaker badging here on the dash. And the glove box, we've got the books and the wheel lock key. So that's perfect. And it's got the black headliner, which is really nice. Keeps it nice and dark and cool in here as well. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. And I'll just have a look there on the mirror. We've got blind spot indicator there. So when someone's in your blind spot, that triangle will light up orange. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks good. We've got the Hemi badging there with the chrome and the black. And here's your front wheel. Looks great. It's in really good shape, as you can see, and again, nice Goodyear tires on there. So we've got the Shaker Hood there, Mopar Shaker Hood with the Shaker intake. So that's all there. This is the V8 5.7 liter engine, which is paired to the 6-speed manual transmission, and that's pushing out 375 horsepower. So we'll just go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. Very neat. Great addition. I love the hood, especially with the matte stripes that go up and over. We've got the projector style headlights with LED halo lights, and we've got fog lights down below. We've got the inscripted Challenger logo here and the RT badging on this side. In terms of issues, we'll have a look. Let's see if there's anything we can find. It should polish out. There's one little mark right here, which we'll touch up, and one beside it, and one little stone chip over here. And again, we'll touch those up. Stone chips you're gonna get, they're gonna happen going down the road, but we just wanna share them with you. So here's your front wheel. Again, it's in great shape and nice Goodyear tires, and same thing back here. Looks great. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power mirror control, we've got our power windows, power locks. Again, nice brushed aluminum finished handle, baseball stitching that runs along the leather panel. And over here we've got, again, our nice WeatherTech floor mat. We've got power fore, aft, up, down, and power lumbar and side bolster adjustment for the driver's seat. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. And sorry, I didn't do that on the passenger side, so I'll do that now for you. There's the passenger seat, looks great. And let's hop in. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. There it is. So in terms of kilometers, we have 53,018. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks good. On the steering wheel, we've got the controls here. So these control the screen, switch between the gauges, and different settings there. So we've got speedometer, screen setup, messages, or if we go back up, we've got vehicle info, performance. So there's your track apps are there. We've got fuel economy, we've got trip info, and we've got audio controls as well. Below that, we've got telephone controls and voice command controls. On this side, we've got our cruise control. Down here we've got automatic headlights. If you push it, that turns on your fog lights as well. We've got our dimmer switches and our trunk release over here. We've got our power tilt telescopic steering column. And then on this side here, we've got our push button start. And we'll turn the screen on here. So we've got full factory navigation. If we go radio, you got AM, FM, Sirius XM. You've got U apps, media, so Bluetooth streaming, auxiliary USB in. Controls, we've got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Climate, we've got dual zone climate control. And then down below, we've got a volume and a tune button. We've got sport, super track, parking sensors, traction. You can turn the screen on and off. You've got your mute button. And then we've got quick buttons for the temperature for passenger and driver. And then we've got our 7 or 6-speed manual shifter. We've got cup holders with illumination. And in the center here, we've got 2 USB ports, an auxiliary, and a 12-volt socket as well. So that's great. So we'll just hop out with it running and have a look and a listen. Beast of a machine. There it is on the front with the lights on. Looks great, sounds great. We'll just scan down this side for you so you can see the condition. Looks good. It's got the nice matte black fuel door. Here it is from the back running. Nice sounding machine. And there you have it, folks. 2017 Dodge Challenger RT Shaker here and available at monroemotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.